Hi everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel Majorca Under the Sun. Now this is my first video of 2021 and I appreciate that many of you in Northern Europe and especially in the UK are unable to travel at the moment, but please stick with me because I'm going to take you to some of my favourite spots around the island, and I'm back here on Santa Ponsa beach to show you somewhere maybe a little bit different, somewhere where maybe you're not used to going when you do come over here in the summer. But we're not staying in Santa Ponsa today, we're heading 5 minutes out of the resort and I'm going to show you somewhere that's a little bit different. So come on, let's go and check it out. Okay, so I exaggerated the 5-minute drive from Santa Ponsa. It's only actually about a 2 or 3 minute drive, and I am outside the Puig de San Morisca Natural Park, and this is a fantastic place to come if you want to pop up here on a Sunday or you want to come and see the sun go down. I mean, it's just a great place for a quick morning or a quick afternoon out, and I'll show you exactly why in just a second. Now it does look like the park is closed off, but it isn't. You just come in the little side entrance there and you just follow the signs up this hill here to the first signpost. Now as you come up to these first two signs here, follow the sign to the right, which goes up to the lookout points and also the reconstructed archaeological site as well. So we're going to head this way. Go up to the first lookout point and we're taking the path off to the right, and it takes you up this rather cobbled path, so make sure if you do come that you wear good walking boots or you're wearing trainers. Okay, so what I absolutely love about the Puig de San Morisca park is that various interpretation boards have been placed strategically around the park to explain a little bit more about what you're actually looking at. So this particular board here tells you a little bit more about the settlement that once existed here during the Iron Age and about the rock formations and also what you can see around the area. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so to get to the first lookout point, you just have to climb up this hillside here. It's quite an easy climb, but just be careful coming up here with young children. And the views when you get to the top are spectacular, right across Santa Ponsa and the South West of Mallorca. And don't be surprised to see the park residents enjoying their lunch on the nearby bushes. Or hanging perilously over the cliff edges. Okay, so from this point here we're going to walk down the hill, back down this first mirador and walk on up to the second, and then we're going to see how the views look from up there as well. Okay, so as you come up through here, you come through like a wonderful plantation of olive trees and all sorts of flowers, herbs, lavenders and plants. Right, we're going to keep following the path up here to one of the first settlements. Now, as you come up here, you'll realise that you're in the ruins of an Iron Age settlement. And you can see the wall running all the way along here and then up towards the other mirador to the other lookout. So come on, let's keep going and see what it says on the information board at the top. And this was how the area once looked. And there's a whole heap of information in 3 different languages here explaining exactly what used to exist. As well as another board as well showing exactly the mountains that you're looking at across Calvia. So we're going to keep on walking up past the cross here, up to the main lookout point, and also to the second ruins as well. Okay, so why do I love this park so much? I mean, aside from the fact, if you're not in the mood for going up to the Tramontana Mountains and doing like a huge massive hike, this place is just the perfect place to come for a very quick short hike. And it's just nice to kind of sit here and relax and just chill out and look at the views right across Santa Ponsa. Now, it wouldn't really be ideal to come up here during midsummer's day when it's 30 or 40 degrees and you just want to be by the pool or by the sea. However, this walk is absolutely fantastic to come on if you're thinking of walking somewhere just before or after dinner, to come up and see the sunset, to come and see a little bit more than you normally would do down below in the resort. And you needn't really take that much time, you just need to hop in the car and drive round to the entrance of the park and take 5 or 10 minutes to come up here and look at the views. And I think this would be the perfect end to a hot summer's day. So as you get to the top here, you can see some steps leading up to the final lookout point here in Morisca. And as you can see, the views are absolutely amazing, looking right out across the southwest corner of Majorca, right over towards Port Adriano. And I can just see a ferry leaving there in the distance, right across Camp de Mar, right over to the very far southwest of the islands. I can see Puig in the distance, and of course the beach down in Santa Ponsa. Calvia village right below a mountain further away. And as we go around, you can see the Bay of Palma and also Magaluf as well. And as you come down from the lookout tower as well, you're looking right out across the woodland here and across Santa Ponsa golf course too. Now, if you are visiting from September through to June, you might want to walk a little bit further. Now let's go and see what else there is in the park. And we'll follow the route back down from the second mirador, back down to the main sign just at the bottom of this hill. And literally 2 minutes away from the sign, you come into an area that's been reconstructed to show how people once manufactured carbon, which was then used in homes to heat homes and also in kitchens to cook food as well. So this is fantastic for kids. It's great to come down here. There's so much history and there's so much to read about. And there's also places that kids can play in as well. I mean, this is great. Love it. So there are various other pathways to explore around here, and you can walk down towards the golf course and go further down into the woods just over there. Okay, so the absolute beauty with this walk is that there are other paths that you can follow that take you right back down through the woods and into the Sonterra urbanisation. But I'm going to end the walk here and head back to the car park now and go and get some lunch. Now, so thanks for watching anyway, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and come and join us in my Facebook group as well, also called Majorca Under the Sun, for some additional Majorca sunshine and some additional Majorca content. Okay, until the next one, I'll see you soon. Goodbye for now.